Which organism fixes nitrogen in soil? Bacteria. What is the term for the study of fungi? Mycology. Which part of the neuron receives signals? Dendrite. Which kingdom do mushrooms belong to? Fungi. Which structure connects muscles to bones? Tendon. Which process produces gametes? Meiosis. What is the name of the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy? Photosynthesis. How many chambers does the human heart have? 4. What type of organisms obtain nutrients by breaking down dead matter? Saprophytes. Which blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? Artery. What type of bond holds the two strands of DNA together? Hydrogen bond. What is the liquid portion of blood called? Plasma.